Why do we have Reliant membership? What that does is just kind of keep us where we create a file, we create a program for your house, particular to your living. We know your water pressure, we know how old your water heater is, we know what repairs have been done there before, and what we're doing is staying ahead of anything that could possibly come up, reminding you what the estimates are. Reliant membership really does go a long way of just protecting your house, protecting your investment. It's $213 a year. Reliant Plan membership, it's just really a great thing to have, because whenever you're reaching out, you're booking a call, we're making sure that as soon as a Reliant member books, they're our next call. Okay, Reliant membership, we book probably 50 to 60 calls a day. Reliant member calls and texts, they're our next call, no matter what it is. I could have a leaky house over here. Reliant member calls and tells me that their toilet's leaking, we're on our way over there. Oh man, I see a lot of times homeowners just ignore a slow flush. They ignore the fact that sometimes when they open up their toilet, the bowl seems a little emptier than what it's supposed to be. Those are symptoms of something going on major in your drain line. It could be either a small break, a major clog where it's further in down the line and it's creating a buildup in there. But if your toilet is slow flushing, if the bowl seems a little emptier than normal when you flush it, and something's just not right, that's definitely something that you want to have looked at. Reliant Plumbing members, we're going to come out, we're going to do a free camera inspection on your line, find out what's going on with it. Man, small issues never go away. They always turn into bigger problems, and they always turn into emergency problems. I've seen a customer here recently. They actually told me that they noticed a spray coming out of their one of their supply lines for the longest, just kind of ignored it. They kind of kept wiping it up because it wasn't too much mist. Finally, the line blew, kind of got their house all wet. It's just something where and everyone's accused of it. You know, we kind of push things down the road, we kick the rock down the road, but when it comes to plumbing, it never goes away. So it doesn't matter if it's high pressure, that's something that needs to be dealt with. It doesn't matter if it's low pressure, that's something that needs to be dealt with. It doesn't matter if your water heater's 10 years old, 15 years old, and you're like, oh man, this thing's gonna last forever. It's not gonna last forever. People start to notice also, I had a customer recently just tell me that they had noticed that their water wasn't getting as hot as it was. They didn't understand why, they just kept turning the valve just a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, and then the water heater finally failed on them and they had no hot water. It was kind of a weird issue for them, but it really wasn't. When I kind of broke down to them what that process looks like, is something that in hindsight, it's always easier to understand what the plumbing emergency would have been, but small little issues come up and you start to notice a difference in your plumbing, at your kitchen faucet, the way your toilet's flushing, the way your hot water isn't as hot as it was, the way your hot water's taking longer than it usually does. You know your house very well. You're in there every day. It's your castle. You know your castle. And if something's changed in your plumbing, it's best just to have it looked at. You know, we're doing free estimates. We'll come out, we'll take a look at it, find out what's going on, give you a free estimate, find out what the issue is, okay? A toilet rebuild. Let's say your flapper, you flush a toilet, your water continues to flow afterward. Sometimes you'll notice a little stream in your bowl. That's because the water's running all night. You don't notice it. You might even get a sticker from the city saying, hey, you're running continuous water. The toilet handle is now loose. It's not flushing right. The fill valve, those go bad, especially with high pressure or calcium buildup. They'll just start spraying everywhere. So if you look inside, you take your toilet tank lid off, which is behind the toilet. Take that off, you look in there's a lot of compartments in there. People are obviously surprised if you've never looked inside one before. There's so many different things going on in there. Toilet flapper leaking, toilet handle loose, broken, fill valve broken, flush valve broken, chain broken. These are all parts that go inside one toilet tank to make that thing flush properly. Because what it's doing is just releasing the water into the bowl, and it's also receiving the new water to fill up for the next flush. If you're already a member, call us up, take advantage of it. If you're not a member, give us a call, go online, get booked, get taken care of. You know, I think if you've ever noticed your toilet's a little crooked, have us come out and pull and reset it at no charge. I think that's going to be one that the customer's taking most advantage of. But I also see a toilet rebuild. We get a lot of calls for toilet rebuilds throughout the day. taking advantage of that member. We're going to have a little contest going inside our office a little bit. Which one do people use the most? We do a lot of hose bib replacements. Hose bib replacements do usually come up in emergency situations where they broke the hose bib, they had to shut the water off. But now you get a hose bib replacement just for being a member. So, if you see one that's already loose, if you see one that's old, if you have an old handle turn one that turns and spins a lot, we call that a kind of a gate valve. Call us out, we'll replace it with a new one, put a brand new vacuum breaker on there, which is very important to have. If you don't have a vacuum breaker on your hose bib, that's one reason to call us out immediately anyway. So there's so many different benefits to it. We kind of break them down one by one, but if I had to guess right now, I'm gonna say the toilet pull and reset. Angle stops are what stops the water at each fixture. So each fixture has an angle stop where the water can be turned on and off to that fixture. It's very important that your angle stops are working, because if you have an emergency at your toilet and you cannot shut that water off, you're gonna have live water coming through to your house. If you have a kitchen faucet you cannot get the water off to, you cannot turn that angle stop off, you have live water coming, you gotta shut the water off to the entire house. Well, you get that one angle stop fixed. So because of that one fixture, and they're on both sides, hot and cold for regular fixtures, toilet obviously cold water only, but having that angle stop functioning properly, where if you have an emergency and you got to get the water off to that one fixture, you can isolate that fixture, have water to the rest of the house, and not have to just shut the entire house off, wait for a plumber to come out. Angle stops aren't as easy to replace as you think. There's a ferro in there, they're compression most of the time, so what we're doing is we're getting that old one off, cleaning up that pipe, putting a new angle stop on it. Usually the old angle stops, we use quarter turn angle stops now. They have old angle stops that's turn, that have to spin a full cycles, quarter turn angle stop, on, off, bam, set up. So having that angle stop functioning, big part of having a good, healthy house. If you have an old supply line that's plastic, or it just looks like the braids are coming apart, you need to get that thing replaced. Supply lines take a lot of pressure when they're turned on and off, and they will start to wiggle. They'll actually break themselves loose over time also. So having a good supply line that's stainless steel braided really make sure that the line from the angle stop to the fixture is secure, because if that thing comes apart, you're talking, it's a 3/8 hose out there that makes the connection. So basically you're going from a 3/8 hose into a fixture. That thing breaks apart, a live 3/8 hose inside your house wouldn't even take a few minutes to just totally damage the house. So having a good supply line, especially, the exposed ones are at your toilet, so that's the ones you can see all the time. You can see your supply line there at the toilet, but underneath your faucet, underneath your cabinets, where you're gonna see the other ones connecting to your faucet, connecting to your kitchen faucet. So you wanna take a look at those supply lines. If you see an issue with them, let's get them replaced. I'm a big fan of replacing P-traps after 10 years, especially at the kitchen, but replacing P-traps, the P-trap is made to collect heavier debris that doesn't flow through with the water. So taking that P-trap off, just replacing it so stuff doesn't fester in there. It also will create an odor. So the P-trap's made to stop sewer odor from coming back in it, but if it starts to collect, you're actually just, the odor is being trapped right there. So replacing a P-trap, very important thing. I say just get it done every 10 years. It's something that we take care of, part of your membership. Now it's free, so you don't even have to pay for it. But replace those P-traps, replace those supply lines, just stay ahead of it. Just stay ahead of it. It saves you money because you're having your water heater flushed out. We're doing an inspection on it. That way we guarantee the next year of that water heater, you should flow right through to it. Saving money because we did a camera inspection on your line, and now you understand what's in your sewer, or there's nothing in your sewer line's clear. It saves you money because now the free incentives that we're doing of replacing a hose bib for you, replacing an angle stop, pulling, resetting a toilet, that's huge, guys. So many customers call us out because their toilets are wobbling, they've spun a little bit, they're not at 6 and 12 anymore. We're gonna come out, we're gonna do that for you at no charge. Now that's free. So now you're taking advantage of other benefits, and now you're getting a repair done, taken care of. It's going to be included. We're going to schedule you on your time. We'll do a membership for you on a Saturday. We'll do a membership for you on a Sunday. You're only available on Sundays? Give us a call. You're a Reliant Plumbing member. Guess what? We're going to come out on Sunday. We're going to take care of that membership for you. So we don't just do it on our free time or our off days or some other companies. They just schedule their memberships for their off day when they're slow. You're a Reliant Plumbing member. Your priority. Give us a call. We're going to come out, take care of it for you. It's no charge, already included in your membership. It's just $213 a year. And really, it's been that way for a lot of years now. We haven't even raised that price on it one time. It's $213. Everything else has gone up. Everything else has gone down, back up. But it's $213. It's been the same price for a long time. And it does have so many values. Man, that is a really good question. If I had to guess, I would say possibly a single person who's very busy, very active, meaning they're active in their lifestyle or at work, and they just do not have the opportunity to get a full understanding of what their house looks like. For $213 a year, we're gonna come out multiple times to your house and take a look at your place, make sure that the plumbing is correct. That's time that is more valuable than anything else that you're gonna spend on your own, trying to get the parts on your own, trying to drive over here, over there. So I think a lot of times everyone always goes straight to, oh, well, the family with a lot of kids, but I think the most time that I see customers take advantage of it is someone who just has a very active lifestyle. Usually they're a small family, maybe even a single person, and they just very busy with their work or with their community, other things that they're doing, and they just don't have the time to get an understanding. Also, there's a lot of part of the house that they don't even use. So now they have somebody inspecting, because we inspect the entire house when we're there. We go to the other bathroom that you never use except one time when somebody comes over, and we just take a look at the whole house, because a lot of times especially for people who are small families or even single who live alone, their plumbing situations are generating, but they don't see them as quickly because there's only one person there. So if it's a house of 6, full family, they see their plumbing situation really quickly because everything's so used. But when it's not used as much and you're only washing one load a week and you only do the dishes once a week and you have 2 bathrooms you don't use, this is the time to take advantage. Reliant Plumbing memberships, it's only $213. We'll come do an inspection of your house, do everything that you need to know, you're gonna know when we're done. You probably have a membership to all kinds of things that you don't use. A Reliant Plumbing membership you're gonna use, okay? You're gonna get a free camera inspection. You're gonna use that. You're gonna get a free water heater flush. You're gonna use that. We're gonna come out, we'll insulate your hose, but put covers over them for the freeze. You're gonna use that. We're gonna come out and pull and reset your toilet. There's so many different ways to use your Reliant Plumbing membership. I see all these other memberships, they only get you access to one thing, one channel, or one gym, or one other place exclusive. A Reliant Plumbing membership guarantees that there's about 50 vans out on the road. One of them is gonna be available to come over to your house, take care of something that you need done. So Reliant Plumbing membership opens the doors to so many other things. Everyone just take advantage of it. Go to our website, check the details, but it really opens the door to so many different options. Keep your house healthy and keep your plumbing safe and damage free. These are things that we're going to keep building on to next year. But if you go onto our website, if you give us a call, book a call with us, we get you scheduled for whatever time works best for your schedule. 7 a.m. Monday, 10 p.m. Saturday. We'll come out. We'll take care of it. Go ahead, book the call. We'll come out and we'll get you taken care of. So you can call us, go online. We're going to get you booked. We're going to get you scheduled, and then we're going to come out. We're going to get you taken care of.